Do you know how we say ugogo wami, umama wami, umngane wami when talking about people in Ndebele, and would be emphasizing to say my grandmother, my mother, my friend, right? So there are other words in Ndebele where you do not add wami. Okay, so I want to teach you these words today so that you're able to use them properly in sentences. We're talking about words like umngami. So umngami means my spouse. You can use it to mean your husband or your wife, right? So you do not say umngami wami. It's simply umngami because the word already contains wami in it. Okay, so here's how you can use it in a sentence. Ngiyamthanda umngami. I love my spouse. Okay, not umngami wami, just umngami. Okay, word number 2, umnawami, meaning my little sibling, my little sister, my little brother. We call them umnawami. All right, you're gonna say this in a sentence. Ngiyamkhumbula umnawami. I miss my little sister or I miss my little brother. Make sense? Number 3, umzawami. This Ndebele word means my cousin. Okay, so again, you don't need to say umzawami wami. Just umzawami already means my cousin. Okay, so you could say lo umzawami, this is my cousin. Make sense? We move on to udadewethu. When talking about your elder sister in Ndebele, you call her udadewethu. And that's enough. Do not say udadewethu wami. The word itself already means our sister. Okay, so when talking about your sister, you're going to say something like ngifonelwe ngudadewethu namuhla. I was called by my sister today. All right. Similarly, umnewethu is complete as it is, and it means my brother. All right. Umnewethu. So you could say ngihamba lomnewethu. I am walking with my brother, or I am going with my brother somewhere. Ngihamba lomnewethu. There's another word that's similar to umnewethu, and the word is umfowethu. So you can use umnewethu or umfowethu. They both mean my brother. Angithi? So umfowethu, no need to say wami again. Umfowethu is enough. So umfowethu livila. My brother is lazy. That's how you say it. Ngesindebele. Lastly, we have unyanewethu. This word means my co-wife, my sister wife, right? Like in a polygamous marriage, you call the other wife my unyanewethu. Angithi? So no need to say unyanewethu wami, right? You could say something like uyangicaphula unyanewethu. My co-wife makes me angry. You know, she annoys me. Okay, so I hope it makes sense. Let me know if you are understanding me in the comments, and let me see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.